and I'm 7 years old, and I'm here to show you how to make a tea party. Right now, you're going to pour the tea from the teapot into the cup. Make sure to not pour too much. If you want to do another step which involves a liquid, then you take a scoop. Then you take a small scoops of salt and of sugar and put them inside of your cup. It makes it more sweet. I like that. And if you want, you can add milk into the cup and drink it up. I'm going to do that right now.
Do you want to stir?
And then take the spoon again, and then you take the spoon to stir it until it looks completely white on it. And then all the other people can do it. If there's any other people there, really. And voila!
Can you taste it?
I'm going to taste it. Mmm, yummy!
Good job.